Peace to everyone. I'm doing a follow-up on Jason Van Dyke, and now this time the Illinois AG asked court to order new sentence for Van Dyke. And as you can see here in the picture, this is the Attorney General that is requesting to get a new sentence for him. Illinois Attorney General on Monday asked the state's highest court to review what prosecutors consider to be a too lenient sentence for the Chicago police officer who fatally shot teenager Laquan McDonald. So they really want to get a new sentence for him to put him away longer than 81 months, because they feel as though that's not enough for him. Attorney General Quan Rail and the special prosecutor who won the conviction against Jason Van Dyke said they believe Judge Vincent Gahn did not properly apply the law when he sentenced Van Dyke to 6 years and 9 months in prison, in a rare move. Rayl and Kane County State's Attorney Joseph McMahon filed a request with the Illinois Supreme Court seeking an order that would send the case back to Gahn for a new sentence. So they want to send this case back to the judge that did not make a fair, appropriate prison sentence. So, because like I said, 6 years and 9 months, come on, yeah, that's not appropriate. So they want to send it back to Judge Gahn for a longer sentence. Absent a new sentence and with credit for good behavior, Van Dyke will likely serve only around 3 years for firing 16 bullets into McDonald in 2014. Dashcam video of the shooting released by the city in 2015 showed Van Dyke continue to fire as the 17-year-old crumpled to the street and lie on the ground. The sentence was the first imposed on a Chicago police officer for an on-duty shooting in half a century. So for the first time in half a century, an officer was sentenced to prison, and 16 bullets into Laquan McDonald. I know that it's wrong, but Jason Van Dyke getting 3 years out of 6 years, that's ridiculous and pathetic. Monday's move is the latest chapter in an ongoing saga that has included massive demonstrations, the firing of the police superintendent by the mayor, and the ouster of the county's top prosecutors by voters a few months later. The judge's ruling to sentence Van Dyke to less than 7 years in prison was met with anger and disappointment by activists. So the activists are not happy with this sentence that Jason Van Dyke did to Laquan McDonald's. They are outraged and angry with the sentence, and they want to give him longer sentences, like more than 81 months. It's got to go beyond 81 months. Ryle reacted quickly. In one of his first moves after taking office in January, he announced he would review the sentence Gahn had handed down just days earlier. So the judge decided that it was 6 years and 9 months, and that's totally under 7 years. But the activists, they don't want that. They want him to be serving prison longer than 6 years. And as you can see here, you can see the Attorney General at the podium thing, which he's going to speak about it, but I'm not going to play it. But anyways, this has gone a little outrageous, but you know what? I am going to keep an eye on this and keep bringing updates as much as possible when they are available. I am out.